Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a brand color in Canva. So first of all you need to go to choose this format of video. You will open it and you will direct you to this page. Go to the brand. So here you can choose add your brand color, or you can create a new brand kit. You can name it whatever you want. Let's name it Mr. I create. Now add brand color. I already choose this, so we can copy this one. Click on this one and choose this color. Enter. Add another one. Enter. And if you want, you can create a new one, create a new brand. You can name it whatever project you doing. Create. Save change for the current one. And you would create a new one and you would do the same step as before. Thank you.